Alright, so before I show you anything, I want you to look at this. So this is Forgotten Roots. You guys already know about this one. 4.5 million views since I started, which is February 7th of this year. And so far with this one, I have done $11,000. As you can see here, I started earning money from this one on February 25th. And then for a while, it was kind of dead, but now it's picking up again. But yeah, this one, you know about this. One video only made me $5,000 on this one alone. But what I haven't showed you is this one. So this one, 2.4 million views on last 28 days. It has generated more than $8,000 on the last month. As you can see here, if we go to settings, this is on US dollars. If we change it to the currency, it will show us a crazy number. But if we go back again to US dollars, it will show again $8,000. As you can see here, the days are around $300 to $400 on this channel. What else I haven't showed you is this other one with 500,000 views on the last 28 days. Typical days here are around $200 to $300. Right now it's a little bit low, but still is the same. Again, it's in US dollars. And then we have another one right here with also 500,000 views, but it's lower than the previous one with almost $2,500 on last 28 days. As you can see here, it went up in the last days. Also, if we go to currency, it's in US dollars too. So 3 more channels besides Forgotten Roots, all faceless, all running in the background. But I'm not going to show you the channels yet because I've got plans for them. And I'd rather not hand them to my competition or kill them as I did with Forgotten Roots, for example. But what is important in this video is that I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. And here's the part that I want you to actually pay attention to. Every single one of these channels has been scripted the same way, and now we have incorporated that into a tool. It's not ChatGPT, it's not Gemini. I used Claude in browser tab before, but now I don't need that either. I'm talking about a simple tool I had custom built that does the thing that nobody's AI workflow can do. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use it, the same way I use it on Forgotten Roots and the 3 other channels that I showed you. By the end, you're going to understand why my scripts hit and why most people's AI scripts are just garbage. Now, the reason most faceless YouTube channels die in the first 90 days, it's not the niche, it's not the thumbnail, and it's not even the voice, but it's the topic and the script. You can pick a perfect niche, you can copy the best thumbnails on the planet, but if the topic is not right and the script doesn't hook in the first 15 seconds and hold somebody through the first 3 minutes, the algorithm reads your retention curve, throws your video into the gutter, and your channel never gets a second chance. This is the bottleneck, and is the one thing that AI was supposed to fix, but most people are using AI completely wrong. They open ChatGPT, they type "write me a 10-minute script about ancient farming," and they get back something that sounds like a Wikipedia article read by a robot. Then they wonder why nobody is watching. Well, the problem is not AI. AI is fine. The problem is that AI without context is generic, and generic doesn't get views. This is what I've built. I got a team behind the scenes, and one guy put this together with me over the last few months specifically to solve this problem. Now, I want to be clear about something. I'm not going to sell you this tool today. There's no upsell. There's no buy now link. I'm walking you through how I use it because it's the engine behind every single one of those 4 channels I just showed you. And once you understand the workflow, you can either build something similar yourself, or you can join my community where you can get this tool for free and use it directly. And that's up to you. Now let me show you how actually this tool works. The first thing you do before you generate a single script is set up what we call the channel brain. You go in here, you put in the best 5 YouTube videos that you have, or you can get them from your competitor. The tool reads those videos, extract the title patterns, the hook, the structure, the subject types, and build itself a permanent style guide for that channel, which we call it the training brain. This is the part 99% of people get wrong. They use AI in isolation. They open a fresh chat, type a prompt, and expect magic. What I'm doing here is the opposite. I'm preloading the AI with DNA of every video that's worked for this niche. So when it goes to write, it's not guessing, it already knows what wins. So you only do this step once per channel, and after that, every script you generate inherits this brain. And now here is where it gets fun. First node is what I call the viral pattern analyzer. You drop in 3 to 4 competitor channels, just the URLs, hit analyze, and the tool goes out, pulls their top performing videos, looks at the title, formulas, the topic cluster, are the gaps, what they're posting about, what they're not posting about, and gives you a map of the entire niche. This is the same kind of analysis I used to spend 3 hours doing manually in a spreadsheet. Now I get it done in under 60 seconds. The magic is not that it shows you what's working, but the good thing is that it shows you what's missing. Because in a saturated niche, you don't just win by copying what your competitors are already doing. You win by finding the gap they haven't filled yet. That's where the next viral video lives, and the tools find that for you. And as you can see here, we got 10 ideas. So let's say I'm choosing this one. You click research, and the tool builds you a full dossier on the topic. So it goes out to the web, pulls sources, extract the historical facts, the names, the dates, the quotes, everything that you need, and packages everything into one document that the scriptwriter can pull from. So this is the second piece that nobody else's workflow does. Most AI scripts are written from the model's training data, which means they are vague, they hallucinate facts, and they all sound the same. But my scripts are written from real research that the tool pulled fresh off the web for that specific video. Real numbers, real names, real claims that hold up when you fact check them. And on a channel like Forgotten Roots, where my whole brand is built on uncovering forgotten history, accuracy isn't optional. If I get one fact wrong, the comments rip me apart, but the Dossier system is what lets me move fast without sacrificing accuracy. But here's the step that most people will skip, and that's exactly why they script don't perform. Before you generate a script, the tool makes you outline what your thumbnail is going to show. You write it down before you write a single word of the script. Why? That's because the first 30 seconds of your video has to fulfill the promise your thumbnail makes. If your thumbnail says the 2000-year-old farming system that fed millions, and your script opens with 3 minutes of historical background, your viewer feels betrayed. They click off, and then the retention dies. So we flip the order. Thumbnail first, hook second, script third. Every single script the tool generates has its opening 30 seconds engineered to deliver exactly what the thumbnail promises. That's the entire reason these channels retain audience the way they do. This rule alone, even if you don't use any AI at all, will change your YouTube channel. Now we get to the scripting itself, and the tool gives you more control than any other AI workflow I've seen. Now I'll be honest with you, I still read every single script before it goes into production. I tweak, I'll cut a line that I don't like. I just kind of rewrite it to give it my touch and humanize it. Because AI isn't a magic button, but the tool gets me 90% of the way there, and the extra 10% I add at the end is the part that makes it actually mine. So that's the whole game. Speed without losing voice, volume without losing quality. And over here you can write the full script. You have the length where you can just slide it over like this. For example, if you want to make an 8-minute video, you can slide it up to 30 minutes long. You can make 1 script variation, 3 variation, 5 variation, and 10 variation. You can do a hook only if you need to have another hook. You can do the intro only or the outro only, where you have like a CTA or anything like that. And once you do that, you hit generate script, and then we get a whole script that is ready for production. You can just copy this one and go to any of the tool where you generate the voice. What I do is I use VidRush to generate. So I just hit copy, then I go to VidRush, then let's press go to dashboard. I hit the plus icon, paste the script. I paste the script here. As you can see here, we have a 13-minute long video. Now what we need to do is also copy the title. So I'll go back to the script agent. I copy the title, paste it on the title section. Let's go next. They're processing our request. Then we choose a voice. The voices are from 11 Labs. So I just choose this one called Sully. Then let's hit continue. Then we can select a theme. I'll go with history. You have other ones that you can select there. Then it's time for background. I just choose vintage. And then we have a thumbnail reference. So here I can see I have my thumbnail here from Forgotten Roots. So I'll just select that one since the video is for Forgotten Roots and hit continue. And then in just around 1 hour, I will have my video ready. So as you can see here, this is the video. It's 12 minutes long. Let's just play it for a minute.
Civilizations for 9,000 years. A plant so versatile it clothed armies, painted cathedrals, and nourished entire populations through the hardest winters on record. And then, within a single generation after the Second World War, Inem usitatissimum. In Latin, that translates roughly to most useful linen. By 1864.
So as you can see here, it has generated everything for us. The voice, the footage, it has found the stock footage, it has generated motion graphics, AI generations, and now here we can edit whatever we want. We can switch images. We can also upload from our computer. We have animations that we can use, transitions that we can add. Basically, you have a lot of control over this video where you can fix anything that you want. And then once it's done, you just hit render and download the video. We also have the thumbnail here. As you can see here, it has generated exactly what I wanted. So this is the thumbnail. It's perfect. This is the whole thing that I do with this channel. But look, I'm one guy with team running 4 channels. I don't have time to write scripts from scratch anymore. These tools are the only reason I can keep producing at the volume I am without dropping quality. And the same goes for the members in my community who have gotten their hands on it. So here, for example, we have Christine, who just monetized the channel last week in just 13 days, which is crazy. We also have Zachary here, who just monetized the 2nd channel. We have FatFun here, who monetized his VidRush channel. Niels also was almost ready to quit, but then he continued and then monetized the channel. We have Bunbu here with VidRush channel. Myself here, where I showed one of my channels. Zachary, Marvin, and a lot of other wins. What I showed you here is not that I'm special. The point is the system works. You stack the right inputs and you let the tool do the heavy lifting. And you put your energy into the 10% that actually matters. And if you want to try VidRush, we have been granted access codes if you want to skip the waitlist. And I also show you everything you need to know how to get the best out of this tool. And also if you want access to the scripting tool, plus everything else I use to run these channels, like niche selection, thumbnail templates. We have weekly calls where I go through your question, review your channels. All of it lives inside my school community, and the link is in the description. And when you join, you get the tool, you get the channel teardowns, you get direct access to me. And as I can see here, I'm active on the community every day. So these are the templates that I use on Forgotten Roots and the 3 other channels, and they are all inside Scalable Creator OS. So same workflow, same systems. I'm not holding back anything. This is not a $5,000 program. It's built for people actually trying to launch and grow a faceless channel right now, not theory people. So click the link, come inside, start building. And if this video helped, drop the word scripting in the comments so I know to make more of these breakdowns. A like and a subscribe will help the channel a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.